Red Deer in the Art of Niko Pirosmanishvili. This document explores the depiction of red deer in the works of Niko Pirosmanishvili, a prominent Georgian painter known for his unique style and vibrant representations of nature and wildlife. Pirosmanishvili's art often reflects a deep connection to the natural world, and his portrayal of red deer serves as a significant element in understanding his artistic vision and cultural context. Introduction to Niko Pirosmanishvili. Niko Pirosmanishvili, often referred to simply as Pirosmani, was an influential figure in Georgian art during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. His works are characterized by bold colors, simplified forms, and a focus on everyday life and nature. Pirosmani's paintings often feature animals, particularly those native to Georgia, and his representation of red deer is particularly noteworthy. The symbolism of red deer. In Georgian culture, red deer hold symbolic significance, often representing strength, grace, and the beauty of the natural world. Pirosmani's depiction of these majestic creatures captures their essence and reflects the artist's admiration for wildlife. The red deer often appears in serene landscapes, emphasizing their connection to the environment and the tranquility of nature. Artistic techniques and style. Pirosmani's technique involves a combination of flat colors and expressive brushwork, which brings a sense of life and movement to his subjects. In his paintings of red deer, he often employs a rich palette that highlights the warm tones of the deer's fur against the cooler hues of the surrounding landscape. This contrast not only draws attention to the deer but also enhances the overall composition of the artwork. Conclusion. Niko Pirosmanishvili's portrayal of red deer is a testament to his ability to capture the beauty of nature and the significance of wildlife in Georgian culture. Through his unique artistic style, Pirosmani invites viewers to appreciate the elegance of these animals and their place within the natural world. His works continue to resonate with audiences, celebrating the harmony between humanity and nature.